Are you traveling to a Spanish-speaking country soon? Let's learn some very important Spanish travel phrases that you should know as a beginner. The first phrase that we have here is por favor. Por favor means please. Por favor. So you'll be using this one a lot. One thing to keep in mind is that the V in Spanish actually makes the B sound or the B sound. So this favor is favor. It's not favor. It's not favor, it's favor. Por favor. Next up, we have muchas gracias. Muchas gracias means thank you very much. Muchas gracias. If a Spanish speaker would say gracias or muchas gracias to you, then you can say de nada. De nada means you're welcome. De nada. ¿Cómo está? ¿Cómo está means how are you? And this is the formal version. To make this informal, then you would just say ¿Cómo estás? Estoy bien. Estoy bien means I'm fine. So this would be the answer to that question there. Estoy bien. Tengo mi pasaporte. Tengo mi pasaporte means I have my passport. So this phrase is very important if you are at the airport or if you are at your hotel and you're checking in, or anywhere else when someone is asking for it. Habla inglés? Habla inglés means do you speak English? And again, this is the formal version of this. To make this informal, you could say hablas inglés. So this could be a very useful phrase for you, very useful question to ask if you are having trouble with your Spanish and you just can't really understand. So you can ask them, habla inglés? Do you speak English? This is one thing that I love to say when Spanish speakers ask me, ¿hablas español? And usually I will respond with this, sí, hablo español. Sí, hablo español means, yes, I speak Spanish. And here we have hablo. We're not going to say hablo because the H in Spanish is silent. Sí, hablo español. And remember, when you're saying this, you want to say it with a lot of pride and you want to say it very strongly as well. Sí, hablo español. Me puede ayudar. Me puede ayudar means, can you help me? Me puede ayudar? ¿Cómo se llama? ¿Cómo se llama means, what is your name? Or it could also be, what is her name, or what is his name, or what is that thing's name. But if we're just talking to someone, you can say, ¿Cómo se llama? What is your name? And here we have the double L here, so it's not ¿Cómo se llama? It's going to be ¿Cómo se llama? So it makes the y sound. Tengo una reservación. Tengo una reservación means I have a reservation. Tengo una reservación. So this can be very useful if you are at a restaurant or any other type of attraction where you have a reservation. ¿Cuánto cuesta? ¿Cuánto cuesta means how much is it? ¿Cuánto cuesta? So this one is very useful because, of course, you would like to know how much products cost if you are planning on buying things when you are traveling to Spanish-speaking countries. Oh yeah, this one is very helpful. ¿Dónde está el baño? ¿Dónde está el baño means where is the bathroom? ¿Dónde está el baño? Estoy listo. Estoy listo means I'm ready. Estoy listo. So you can use this one in a variety of situations. I know I say this a lot when I'm in restaurants and they ask me, ¿Estás listo? Or algo así. Voy a. Voy a means I'm going to. So it could be voy al baño. Or voy al hotel. Or voy al restaurante. Or voy a la biblioteca, voy a la playa, etc., etc. And here we're not going to say voy, but we're going to say voy. Estoy perdido. Hopefully, you won't have to say this phrase too often, but if you are lost, then you can just tell someone that estoy perdido, and hopefully they can help you out. A la izquierda. A la izquierda means to or on the left. So this is very good for directions. So whether you are giving directions or if you are receiving directions from a Spanish speaker. Hacia el norte. Hacia el norte means to the north. Hacia el norte. And here we have the H here, but we're not going to pronounce it since it is silent. So we are going to say hacia, and we're not going to say hacia. Al fondo. Al fondo means in the back or on the bottom. I could have used this phrase during my first trip to Mexico because I remember when I was in the store and I was looking for the dressing rooms and I asked someone and then they told me al fondo and I had no idea what that meant. Tengo calor. Tengo calor means I'm hot. ¿Qué hora es? ¿Qué hora es means what time is it? ¿Qué hora es? And we're not going to say ¿qué hora es? But ¿qué hora es? Hay. Hay means there is or there are. Like hay piscinas. And here we have the H again here, so we're not going to pronounce that. So it's I, and we're not going to say hi, but I. Necesito. Necesito means I need. So necesito agua, I need water. Necesito más dinero, I need more money. Necesito. No me siento bien. No me siento bien means I don't feel well. No me siento bien. So this is very good in the case that you don't feel well and you need to tell somebody this so they can get you whatever you need. Me duele. Me duele basically means my blank hurts. So this comes from the verb doler, which means to hurt. So me duele el estómago means my stomach hurts. Or me duelen las piernas. Me duelen las piernas means my legs hurt. So as you can see there, the duele changed to duelen because it became plural. Or you could say me duele la pierna. So my leg hurts. And not me duelen las piernas. My legs hurt. Do you feel more confident about traveling to a Spanish-speaking country now? If you don't, watch this next video. Also, if you enjoyed this video, make sure that you give it a thumbs up and share it with your Spanish learning friends. Hasta luego.